President atuuse kyeyalinga nnyo President atuuse
tulivimba mu Uganda tuliyambala engule zimasamasa olutalo nga luwedde tuliyambala engule tulivimba mu Uganda empya. People power, our power. Bana mwekyamire. It means sit down. Thank you very much for this afternoon. We have been here since morning. Mr. President, sir, I know that you are extremely out of time. But then I cannot, these people, if I allowed you move out without convincing you, Your Excellency, to come and they just want to hear that voice. Don't say anything, make a sound, and they will appreciate that you are here. Please, Mr. President, come and say just one word. Everything will have you. Okay,
President Zoe! President Zoe! President Zoe!
People power. Our power.
People power.
NUP. Everywhere.
NUP.
Well, I was sure to say just a word. I think I've said more than a word. And I want to beg my leave now. And thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen.
yaleese emizinga
My check.
rabadaba.
Comrades.
I think you can hear me. Yeah. It's an absolute pleasure meeting you, ladies and gentlemen. A short while ago, I was meeting the newly vetted candidates for Makerere University, Makerere University Business School. And
it's an absolute pleasure, comrades, to see that you students are taking leadership to yet another level. I want to congratulate the winners of our process, and I also want to congratulate them in advance because I'm confident that you are going to bring victory home. I want to congratulate you. I'll share again a little bit of what I've shared with the leaders inside. That this is not a privilege, this is a task, it's a responsibility. You, the young people, have a big task on your shoulders. But again, like the Bible says, the grace of God cannot take you where He's not going to guide you. We know that the responsibility this generation has been entrusted with, still God has given us the tools to accomplish it. One famous guy called Frantz Fanon said, every generation must identify its mission and either choose to betray it or pursue it. You guys have discovered your mission. And not only you, the institutional students, the Makererians, the mobs and others, but every young person of Uganda. We are living in a generation that is so awake that the same conversation you find in Makerere is the same conversation you find on a border stage. There's no more Arsenal and Man U. It is Uganda, Uganda, Uganda. We must congratulate ourselves. But again, you comrades have an unenviable duty to lead that change that our people so badly want. Our people know where exactly they want to go. But you are the people to lead us there. And I'm confident that you can lead us there. Of course, it's not going to be a smooth run. No, it's not. We are being led by a dictator who has presided over our country long before you were born. Who has missed everything. Who has denied you the opportunity to be the citizens that you want to be. And you are here because you're stubborn. Because you refuse to be identified by the circumstances that He has set for you. You want to determine your own destiny. You want to shape your own life. We want to shape our own lives. And we are relying on you, ladies and gentlemen. So as you go into those elections, know that there are many things that are going to guide us, but most importantly, we must be guided by the values that we espouse, the values that we know, we constantly talk about, servant leadership being on top of them. Discipline and reliability and integrity. We must be the leaders that we want others to emulate. I said it to the leaders here that I, as an individual, I'm not any different from any of you. What makes me outstanding is the stubbornness of sticking to those values. Please stick to those values. Come together. Like that we have a female candidate from Makerere University speaks volumes. That we have, yes, it speaks of our inclusiveness. It speaks of our different mindsets as a generation. To see that we have a candidate from MOBS who is not necessarily from the central speaks about our mindset as a generation. So please go by those values, ladies and gentlemen, and not even the sky will be the limit. I want, on behalf of the party and on behalf of the generation, to tell you that we are 101% behind you. Make us proud. I wish you Godspeed. Let's continue interacting. This is your home, and we are your servants, not your bosses. And the people that you are going to lead, you should be their servants and not their boss. And that way, you are going to enjoy leadership, and even God is going to constantly be on your side. Like our deputy spokesperson mentioned, I'm actually rushing to attend to some matter, but I will leave you to my fellow leaders to take you through the function. I thank you for this opportunity, and I apologize for speaking more than one word as I was instructed. So, thank you very much for God and our country. People power, our power.
People power.
Mr. President,
President Soy. President Soy. A people power.
Mr. President, sir, as you leave, I am just going to request for another simple other request. To request the guild president designate, please come, and the gentleman he competed with and the other colleague to come and just have a picture with you here, sir. Here? Here is it? Okay.
People power, our power. People power. Mr.
President, thank you very much. We have, let's have this two also, just the two of you. Okay, let's take that quickly. People power, our power. Thank you very much.
The inspiration and the best broadcasting around town. KKTV. The global experience. The might. The power. And all you need with KKTV. We are your broadcasting experience. You are watching KKTV.